Hello students, I hope you all are doing good. This would be the last class of your FRM subject, that is 5th unit of your FRM options. As such, this is an important question, came previously also, Bsopm question. Sort of, this is little bit variation is there, so that is the reason I'm showing you this problem, and this would be the last class of FRM subject. With this I'm done with the syllabus. So let's check out the question. I have already showed you in my last class how to calculate the Bsopm problem. This was the question. Yeah. He'll specify over there Bsopm as such. I didn't, because I have taken it for the textbook. I have missed writing the Bsopm. So here, check out this question. Consider the following data: stock price, that is nothing but the S current prevailing price 50. Months to expiry is 6 months. Risk free rate is 10% per annum. R. Months to expiry, T is nothing but 6 by 12. Standard deviation is 40%. Exercise price is 56 rupees. Option type European call it is. European call will be exercised only on the maturity date. You are required to find out the value of call option and put option using Bsopm. So in a question he is asking us to calculate both call value and put value. In my previous problem I have showed you only about the see, you can estimate the value of a call, he is saying. So using Bsopm, he was asking only to calculate the value of a call. These were the formulas. Value of a call is equal to Sn d1 minus ke power minus rt and d2, right? So this was d1 d2 is been calculated like this using the logarithm and d1 d2 normal distribution table, and the ke values also should be there, e power values. So this were formula. So let's do this problem. I'm going to show you this. So let's write down first of all the given information. What is given is stock price has been given as 50 rupees. Exercise price rupees 56. If you see the information that has been given, stock price 50, exercise price 56. Risk free rate of interest R is equal to 10% or 0.10. Okay. Standard deviation he has given you 40%. I do remember this. This is nothing but 0.40. Next information is months to expiry has been given as has given 6 months, or it's also be written as 6 by 12. Okay. And in order to calculate the d1 and d2 value, let's write down the formula first of all. C is equal to value of call as Sn d1 minus ke power minus rt and d2. Okay, this is the formula. So d1 formula is what? In into s by k plus r plus standard deviation divided by 2 standard deviation square divided by 2 into t. Yeah, that is same as the formula. Standard deviation square divided by 2 divided by standard deviation t under root t. So let's calculate this first. In is same logarithm it is. I already said in my last class. This is important, guys. Do concentrate on this. In 2016 something May June paper it came. So do concentrate on this. This is very important. Okay. So 50 divided by 56 plus R is how much? R is 0.10 plus standard deviation is 0.40 square divided by 2 into 6 by 12. Okay. Divided by standard deviation is 0.40 under root 6 by 12. If you do this calculation, the continuation over here, it will be in 0.8928 plus 0.10 plus 0.5 into 0.16 into 0.5. 0.5 is nothing but 6 by 12. Okay, 0.5 over here. Why I am taking? Because if you calculate, 1 second, I need to calculate directly. That would be better. If you do that, it will be 0.18. If you do divide by 2, it will be 0.18 into 0.5 divided by 0.2828. If you do that under root 6 by 12 into 40, you will get that. In value you will get in. Do calculate this on the scientific calculator. In 0.8928. You are going to get minus 0.1133 plus this will be 0.09. If you calculate and multiply, it will become this 0.09. Okay. Divided by 0.2828. So you get the D1 value as, after doing all the thing, you will get minus 0.0824. Okay. So D2 you all are familiar. What's the formula? 1 minus 0.0 minus of minus you need to take. Okay, not 1 minus. What's the formula for this? D1 minus standard deviation of T it is. Okay, D2 formula is D1 minus standard deviation of T. So D1 minus standard deviation of T. So D1 is nothing but minus of 0.0824 minus standard deviation is how much? 0.40 under root T is how much? 6 by 12 is nothing but 0.5. I am not going to write down a 6 by 12. 0.5 it is clear as such. So if you calculate this, you are going to get minus of 0.3652. So now check out the table value. Here D1 value we got is 0.0824, D2 is minus, both the values are in minus, so we need to check out the negative value. I've already sent you the table values also yesterday, just to concentrate on this. Now we have and d1 d2 values. We need now normal distribution value nd1 and nd2 for further calculation. So here how much it will be if you calculate this nd1, d1 you need to locate in the minus 0.08. so let me show you this. Minus 0.0 under 8, here it is 10 9 8, it is 4 6. Okay, this is 9, this is 8, 4 6 8 1. If you check out this table value, 0.0 under 8, this is the value, right? Minus 0.08 is the value. So you need to equate here only minus 0.0 under 8. This is the value 0.4681. If you see, this is the 8. If you see this is the 8, 4 6 8 1. Okay, so let's take this value 4681. So in table value nd1 is 0.4681 in the from normal distribution table I am writing, right? So now this we got 0.4681. now nd2 will be, nd2 is nothing but minus 0.3, minus 0.3 it is. Wait, not minus 0.3, yeah, minus 0.352. so let's check out in there also. 0.3 under 5, so 3594. Three five nine four it is. Okay, zero point 3 under 6 it is. So 0.3 under 6 it is 3.94. So 0.3594. Now what you're going to do, let's check out the another one. So I'm continuing over here, so that's important as such. So now we know nd1 nd2 values. Let's calculate the value of call now. I have already written the formula. So do remember this formula. It's very simple. These problems are not difficult at all. It's all you need to carry the table value as such. Minus rt nd2. So here it will be, S is how much in the question, how much he has given you is S, spot price 50 into what I got nd1 is 0.4681 minus k is nothing but 56, E is E itself, R minus RT, minus of minus, not minus of RT, not minus of minus. What is R over here? It has given in the question 10%. So over here it will be RT इसके बाद what is the value of nd2 we got just now? nd2 value is 0.3594. So if you substitute over here the entire part, 15 to 0.4681 minus 56 e power r is how much? 0.10. So if you see this, after calculating, subtracting, and on how much value you get? 4.261. Okay, this is value of a call. Now the put option. How we are going to do the put option is asked us to calculate the put option also. Put option, the formula is, listen carefully. For put option, the formula is P is equal to K power RT NT. So KERT N minus D2 minus of SN minus, this is the formula guys, listen carefully. If something happened like this, you need to pay for it. Okay, so over here how much it will be? P is equal to KERT ND2 ND1 ND2. So here it will be ND1 basically. So now we need to substitute here also. This is the formula for put option guys. You need not to separate, calculate all the values, K is how much? 56. R is 0.10 into 6 by 12 minus. So over here what we got, so over here let's substitute over here. This is the formula. Now ND1 ND2, how we are going to calculate, ND1 and ND2. So how you are going to calculate this is, ND1 will be a 1 minus ND1, what we got over there, 1 minus ND1 is like 1 minus ND1 and ND2, 1 minus ND2. Okay, so now we need to substitute over here. 1 minus what we got, both the things minus we got, so ND1 so over here you need to substitute N and so we need to calculate the ND1 ND2 of N minus D1 is equal to 1 minus 0.4689. Just now what I got, 6 4 2. So here what's the formula for this? ND2 ND1 as such as I said, ND1 is equal to d1 is equal to 1 is equal to 1 minus nd1. So it will come to 1 minus 0.4681. It came to some around 1 minus 0.46. It will be 0.5319. The same manner nd2 will be 1 minus 0.035 0.03 nd1. 1 minus 0.5319. We got 5319, right? The same manner nd2 value also you need to calculate. The nd2 is equal to 1 minus nd1. 1 minus nd1 means here we got one value, another one is nd2. Second one message. 1 minus nd2, how much it will come to if you calculate with d? 1 minus 0.33594. nd2 will be at 0.6406. So 0406. Now here we are going to substitute. K is nothing but 56. So over here how much it will be? 56. So we got nd1 nd2 values here also. You need to substitute here. Okay, 56 e power r is how much? E power 56 e power r. Where is r? R is how much? 0.10 into n is nothing but your nd1 n e power so 56 e power r is 0.10 minus here you need not to take minus as such. 56 e power 0.10 into 0.01 into 0.5 rt. T is nothing but 0.46. T is how much? T by 12, 6 by 12. K power minus 0.10 into 0.10 into T into that. So here K power RT into N is what? n is nothing but your 0.5 into nd1 is 1 point. This is value of output what we are calculating over here. Zero 0.10 into 0.5 into nd1 is nothing but 0.06.0.04 into 10% into 0.5 nd2 is how much? ये कर्जा कहाँ चला गया? Into 0.6406, this is nothing but your nd2 minus 6.4046. As such, this only the table values again, you need not to take them. Minus 50 is nothing but s 50 4601 into minus 0.5319. And what we got previous slide answer. Here continuing over here. So here how much it will be? If you calculate this value, you will get 5.7.528. So calculate that, use k value, standard deviation, and practice these problems, because it's not easy problems, also not very difficult. Also do practice more and more, then only you will get perfect. So I'll wind up the class over here, and I'm going to wind up the syllabus over here. See all of you guys. All the best. From tomorrow I'm going to start the IF subject also simultaneously. So I'll wind up now the class. See you all of you guys. Bye all of you. All the best. Do prepare for the exams. I'm going to give you the important also and the question paper also. The important questions also. This Bsopm is very important, so do concentrate on this. If you have any doubts regarding this, do ask me. In IF I'm going to start as soon as possible, and I am going to complete it as early as possible, guys. See you all of you. Take care and do work hard, and that's it. And if you have doubts regarding anything, do ask me. Table values or whatever it is, I've already showed you. See all of you guys. Bye all of you.